Come here. Okay. What are we going to talk about today? Yeah? Well, this is Trip. He is, how old are you? 2. And his birthday is in January. So it's gonna be your birthday party soon, right? What kind of birthday party do you want?
Blue, pink, purple, KP,
Or
PJ
masks.
cake piece.
You would like a PJ Masks cake?
Yes,
Wow. Which PJ mask do you like the best?
cake piece,
We don't have one now. We have to get it later. Oh man. Say bye. Hello, Harper. Say happy Vlogmas Day 4. Harper has on a vintage outfit today. Not really that vintage. This is Target 2018. This was her big brother's when he was 6 months old. This is a 6 to 9 month, the Target Cross collection, which was so cute. I was so excited to get this when it came out a couple years ago and absolutely knew I was gonna save it. And I'm so excited that she's getting to wear it now. It's so cute, I know. Isn't it cute? So I am taking a much needed mental health day. I had one Zoom meeting, but didn't really do anything else. And I'm just kind of taking the day off from checking emails or doing a lot of extra social and just hanging. So my daughter just got up from her nap and I finally was able to pull this from my son's play area. He doesn't really like her playing with it, but this is the Baby Einstein, I think it's called a Tinker Table. And I got this for my son for his first Christmas and he really loved it. He doesn't play with it much anymore, but he obviously doesn't want anyone else playing with it. So while he's napping, I took it off the legs and put the table down on the floor so she could explore. And it looks like she likes it. Do you like it? Yes, good, baby approved. My son was actually, let's see, if he got this for Christmas, he would have been 11 months old and she's 6 months old and it looks like she's getting a little bit of use out of it too. So that's exciting. I also realized I've been talking about my new front door wreath since Thanksgiving week vlog and never showed you guys a close-up. So here is the wreath. My mom made this for me. We had a wreath form of a really old wreath and we took off all of the old decorations and we went to Joann's and got ribbon. So the ribbon you see is from Joann's. We got a black velvet ribbon, this buffalo plaid, and then a smaller black and white plaid. So black and white's what I'm going for this year. And then we also purchased the sticks that have these assorted glitter snowballs on them, as well as a couple of ornaments. And what else was added to this? Also the snow-covered pieces of branch with pine cone accents. So this is my wreath. I love it. It is so adorable. I love how it's really big and there's lots of stuff going on and it just makes me feel so happy. Yay! This is the wreath inspiration that I found on Pinterest, so let me know how I did.